What's up guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison of 3 premium sliding bench systems, the Total Gym Fit, Total Gym XLS, and the GR8FLEX. Each of these sliding benches has unique features, price points, and benefits. By the end of this video, you'll have enough information to decide which one is the best fit for your fitness goals and budget. Let's get started. Alright, first up is the Total Gym Fit. Weighing in at just 66 pounds, the Fit is the lightest of the 3 machines. But with a price tag of around $1,100, it's also the most expensive option. It features 12 levels of resistance, a 450-pound user weight capacity, and over 85 exercises on a durable, non-tear vinyl glide board that's designed for maximum comfort. It grips to your body securely, preventing any sliding during workouts. And I'd like to also mention that the stitching is holding up nicely after routine high-intensity training on the machine. This model comes with several accessories that enhance its versatility and functionality. These include the ab crunch accessory, which features thick padding for added forearm comfort and coated handles for extra protection. The leg pulley accessory, equipped with ropes and ankle cuffs, is great for targeting the glutes and hamstrings. The package also includes a rib squat stand. While it's not the largest, it's effective for most exercises. Additionally, Total Gym offers an extra large squat stand as an upgrade. And the GR8FLEX extra large squat stand is also compatible with Total Gym models for those needing a larger footprint or support. You also find the wing bar attachment, which is incredibly versatile for exercises like inverted shoulder press, crunches, and pull-ups. The set includes a training deck with a holder that attaches to the top of the tower, along with an exercise wall chart that's very beneficial to give you ideas to target all the major muscles of the body, and a nutrition guide to support your fitness goals. Now, for those looking to intensify their workouts, the Total Gym Fit is compatible with a weight bar attachment. This was a game changer for me and a big reason I decided to purchase the Total Gym Fit after using the GR8FLEX for years. Being able to load the weight bar with plates has taken my workouts to the next level. Now, I'd also like to add that the Fit has a lifetime warranty on the frame and a modest 2-year warranty on parts. Its unfolded dimensions are 18.5 inches wide, 93 inches long, and 44.5 inches high. It is the second longest of the 3 sliding benches. Now on the same topic, I also want to highlight the option to upgrade to the Total Gym Fit Ultimate Package and give a quick shout out to one of our viewers, Brock, for bringing this to my attention. Thank you, Brock. So what sets the Ultimate Package apart from the standard Fit model? First, you get 3 additional resistance levels on the tower, matching up with the GR8FLEX at 15 levels and a 475-pound weight capacity. It also includes some fantastic upgrades like the extra large squat stand, a weight bar attachment, and the Pilates kit with a tow bar. Now, the Fit Ultimate Package is priced at $1,500, which is about $400 more than the standard Fit. The big question is, are these added features worth the extra investment? That's something to consider depending on your fitness goals and how you plan to use your Total Gym. Alright, up next we have the Total Gym XLS, priced at $879, making it the most affordable of the premium Total Gym models. It weighs 81.57 pounds and offers 6 levels of resistance, which is the least of the 3. It has a 400-pound user weight capacity and over 80 exercises, similar to the Fit. The XLS includes many of the same accessories as the Fit, like the leg pull accessory, rib squat stand, wing attachment, which is a bit different in design compared to the Fit and the GR8FLEX, training deck, exercise wall chart, and nutrition guide. Like the Fit, the XLS supports the weight bar attachment for added versatility and intensity to your workouts, which is an awesome plus. Its unfolded dimensions are 19 inches wide, 90 inches long, and 43 inches high, making it the shortest of the 3 sliding benches and the most compact in terms of footprint. This design is ideal for those with limited space or looking for a more portable option. However, it only comes with a 6-month warranty on parts, though the lifetime warranty on the frame provides reassurance for long-term structural integrity. Lastly, we have the GR8FLEX. Priced at $869, it is the least expensive of the 3 and weighs in at 90 pounds, labeling it the heaviest. It offers the best value in terms of attachments and features, and here's what you get. 15 levels of resistance, which is the most of the 3 machines, a 450-pound user weight capacity matching the Total Gym Fit, and 7 workout attachments, which is by far the most of the 3 packages. The GR8FLEX attachments include wing bars, an extra large squat stand, resistance bands, ab crunch accessory, easy curl bar, dip bars, and a leg harness pulley system. You also get a cell phone holder and mats, which is a nice touch. So when you add up the total value of the included attachments, it comes to roughly $470, which is over half of the total cost of the entire package. Its dimensions are slightly larger, measuring 18 inches wide, 96 inches long, and that's including the squat stand area clearance, and 50 inches high when fully unfolded. This gives it the largest footprint of the three models, though the difference is not significant. The frame itself measures approximately 87 inches in total length, so while it's a bit larger overall, the extra space it occupies is minimal and still manageable for most home gym setups. This slight increase in size contributes to its stability and usability, making it a solid choice for those with a bit more room to work with. Although the GR8FLEX doesn't offer a weight bar attachment option, it does feature resistance bands that can be attached under the glide board to add intensity. These bands are highly effective and provide more than enough resistance to support high-intensity training. Now, best of all, the GR8FLEX comes with a lifetime warranty on both the frame and parts. Basically, everything that comes in the box is warranted for life, and this has been personally tested as their customer service team are very helpful and friendly. Now, let's dive into the major differences between these machines, starting with the glide rails. Both the GR8FLEX and the Total Gym XLS feature chrome glide rails, which perform well but are susceptible to rust over time, especially if your gym area is in a humid environment. On the other hand, the Fit takes things up a notch with coated glide rails. In fact, the entire machine is coated, which provides excellent rust resistance. This is a big deal if you're looking for longevity and low maintenance. In my opinion, this feature really sets the Fit apart in terms of overall quality. Now for the GR8FLEX, there's something worth noting. One of our viewers, William, mentioned that customer service handled the rust buildup on his GR8FLEX equipment by replacing it. That's awesome peace of mind knowing that GR8FLEX stands behind their lifetime warranty. Alright, next is portability. The GR8FLEX comes with two small rubber wheels located at the base of the tower, and this makes it easier to transport the machine when folded. However, I did notice that both the XLS and the Fit have plastic covers on the base of the frame that rotate effectively, acting as wheels for transport as well. Now, I received feedback from others that the plastic covers broke off on their machines, but mine have held up nicely so far. While the wheels on the GR8FLEX feel more sturdy and convenient, the portability features on the XLS and Fit are still functional. It's not a huge difference, but it's definitely something to consider if you'll be moving the machine around often. Now, let's break down the pros and cons of each machine, starting with the Total Gym Fit. The pros: lightweight and easy to move. Weighing just 66 pounds, it's the lightest of the three machines. High quality materials: the frame and attachments are fully coated, helping to prevent rust buildup, and it features a durable, non-tear vinyl glide board. Weight bar attachment compatibility: this makes it a great choice for those looking to add more intense strength training to the routine. Now for the cons. Price: at $1,100, it's the most expensive option among the three sliding benches. Fewer resistance levels: it offers 12 levels compared to the GR8FLEX's 15. While this might be a drawback for some, I found it's sufficient for my personal workout routines. Plus, there's an option to upgrade to the Ultimate package, which includes 15 tower levels. Warranty: it only comes with a 2-year warranty on parts, which is significantly less than the GR8FLEX's lifetime warranty. Next, we have the Total Gym XLS. Affordable price: at $879, it's the most budget-friendly option among the premium Total Gym models. Solid build quality and compact design: this machine offers the same 80+ exercise options and attachments as the Fit, making it a highly versatile choice. Plus, it's the most compact of the three, perfect for smaller spaces. Weight bar attachment compatibility: this is a great feature for those looking to incorporate more advanced strength training. The cons: limited resistance levels. It only has 6 resistance levels, the fewest of the three machines. Lower user weight capacity: it's rated for up to 400 pounds compared to the 450 pound capacity of the Fit and GR8FLEX. Short warranty and susceptibility to rust. The warranty covers only 6 months for parts, making it the least generous of the three machines. Additionally, I've noticed some rust buildup on the machine, likely due to storing it in my garage. And last but not least, the GR8FLEX. Best value: it comes with 7 attachments included, valued at roughly $470, making it a great deal for what you get. 15 resistance levels: it's the most number of resistance levels among the three machines. It also features an extra large squat stand, which sets it apart as the only unit to include this feature as standard. Lifetime warranty: the GR8FLEX offers a lifetime warranty on everything, providing unmatched peace of mind. For the cons: larger footprint. While it's only slightly larger than the Fit, its size might not be ideal for smaller spaces. No weight bar attachment option, However, the included resistance bands make up for this limitation quite effectively. Susceptible to rust. Some users have reported rust buildup on the frame and equipment. On a positive note, one of our viewers, William, mentioned that GR8FLEX customer service replaced his rust-affected equipment without issue as part of its lifetime warranty. So which one should you choose? Well, it really depends on your goals and budget. If you're looking for the best overall quality, the Total Gym Fit is a clear winner with its superior materials that are coated, lightweight structure, and versatility. Now, the Total Gym XLS is a solid option if you're looking to save some money while still getting a great Total Gym sliding bench system. However, for the best value, the GR8FLEX takes the crown. With 15 resistance levels, 7 included attachments, and a lifetime warranty on everything, it's hard to beat. But the choice ultimately comes down to your fitness priorities. Do you want the weight bar option, or are you looking for the most attachments at the best price? Let me know in the comments below which one you'd go with. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more home gym reviews. We'll see you in the next one.